To witness the beauty of cactus, go to Cactus Garden. Mesmerize your senses with the charm of blooming flowers standing out amidst the thorns. This experience is awaiting you at Statue of Unity. This is one of its kind botanical garden, nurturing a variety of cacti and succulent plants, making you aware of the desert ecosystem and how these plants thrive so beautiful in it. Witness the world of cacti. Get surprised with several species of it. Explore one of the nature's creations, symbolizing thorns as a birth of wisdom. This garden is home to over 450 national and international species, brought here from across 17 countries in the world. About 250,000 flowering plants, 190,000 cactus, and 160,000 succulents, nurtured inside 836 square meters dome in 25 acres of area. The Cactus Garden is awaiting you at Statue of Unity. Feel the flourishing flora. Revel on the ravishing rock landscapes. Celebrate the charisma of cacti-based herbal medicines. As the Cactus Garden is awaiting you at Statue of Unity, the world's tallest statue.
Hi friends, in this video we will do tour of Cactus Garden. People who love cactus and succulent plant must visit Cactus Garden, which are away only 11.7 km from world tallest statue called as a Statue of Unity. You can reach a Cactus Garden from Statue of Unity by SOU bus. You can see amazing gate of Cactus Garden. Inside, in front of gate, you can see one tall Pachypodium springly cactus. We can assume height of a cactus as a taking reference of this skull height. It is almost 3 times. Let's see closest view of a Pachypodium springly and golden bearer cactus arrangements. This golden bearer cactus have a pups on its top. On this plant comes yellow flower. You can see Pharaoh cactus hairy with its seed pod. Next, we see right side of greenhouse. Here we can see adenium, agua, and tall Pachypodium geayi plant. Pachypodium geayi plant is a combination of a cactus and palm tree. On this plant come a white flower. This agua have a green leaves with a yellow strip. If you touch thorn of this big golden barrel cactus, it feels like plastic needle. You can see bunch of 4 Pachypodium geayi cactus. You can see arrangement of different agua variety. Let's see rectangular arrangement of Cactus herae. Information about Pachypodium geayi cactus. This Pachypodium geayi is the tallest plant of cactus garden. Wonderful adenium and agua. Both sides of walkway, golden barrel cactus is planted. Let's see center of walkway. This is open cactus. Both its nopal and fruits can be eaten. There are red fruits which increase the hemoglobin in our body. It is also used for type 2 diabetes. This is ponytail palm, looks pretty. Look at Cactus lattispinus. It have a seed pod. Wow! Cactus lattispinus have flower bud. Top is a fully covered with a seed pod. From this seed pod you get a seed which are used to propagate new cacti. Information about cactus. You can see both sides of terrace has indoor plants. If you really enjoyed this video, then please like and share it. If you are new to this channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel.